muna. Oh.
Karada, I'm so sorry, Bonifacio.
Puti na, may natay na. Dolay na. Wow. Folk dance pala to. Ano ba nang huli ka? Palakpakan po natin. Napakasarap na yakap. Today is the celebration of love and life of our dear Marquina. Dancing with Wilma. Ayaw kilak kaayo. I know you're so happy, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, I will now get the flower first, ma'am, for you to, para mahawakan po ninyo ang pangalawang bulaklak. Moving on to your second dance, we have Willalo Bonifacio. Ladies and gentlemen.
Karada, I'm so sorry, Bonifacio.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Take this moment, Bonifacio. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now dance with Bonifacio, mommy. Ready? 1, 2. Puti na, may natay na. Dolay na. Sige, go. 2 and 3, 4 and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. That's very magical. Ladies and gentlemen, the floor is all yours. Wilmar Venturado. Palakpakan po natin. Flowers. Wow. Isang mahigpit na yakap. As you say, ma, happy birthday, ma. And thank you so much, Lord, for this wonderful celebration and for this wonderful life of our dear mother. Palakpakan po natin sila. Ang ganda ng pakiramdam, ano? At syempre, kung ready si Bonifacio, I know, handa naman si Wilmar para sa akin. Ladies and gentlemen,